Hello all, welcome back to my channel. For a long time, I thought of talking about one topic which we all trying to form it as a habit. Many have succeeded, but some like me wondering how to make it. Yeah, you have probably heard the expression early bird gets the worm, or heard of prominent people and international leaders who swear by getting up at 5 a.m. every day. So, is there something to be an early riser? For getting into the topic, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Let us have some talk on getting up early benefits and why successful people get up early to know whether getting up early makes them successful or vice versa. It has been proven that getting up early benefits your emotional, physical, and professional well-being. In the early waking moments of the morning, you can be fully awake and focused, taking into account the brain chemistry at the time. You won't think too much, and of course, you can do the things you need to get off to a great start. You can absorb more information when you wake up so you don't get distracted and focus on things that really matters for the day instead of getting up late and rushing your schedule before you even started. 4 a.m. is the best time spiritually because at the time our mind was well connected to the universe. After hearing all the benefits, you suddenly decided to wake up early, but you usually wake up at 8 a.m. and you decided to wake up 5 a.m. thereafter. But you're setting that goal yourself as a failure because rather trying to get up at the stretch at 5 o'clock, trying to wake up just 15 minutes before each day, within a week you will have worked your way up to nearly 2 hours. Let me tell you some steps which we often heard from our elders, but we never followed it. Number one, get enough sleep. When you are deprived of rest, this can make it more challenging to wake up on time. For instance, if you want to start waking up at 6 a.m. and feel the most rested with 8 hours of sleep, you should go to bed at 10 p.m. If you find that you are not tired when your scheduled bedtime rolls around, establish a calming bedtime routine like reading or drinking a sleep tea, or you could have a shower and get your clothes ready for the next day to feel more prepared and relaxed. Once you have established your ideal wake up time, stick to it. The same goes for your bedtime as well. Maintaining this schedule will keep your body rhythm at check, which should help you sleep better and make it easier to fall asleep and get up on time. Maintain this routine in weekends too to keep the consistency. Schedule early morning activities such as hike with friends or family and weekend session with a trainer or a coffee meeting. Another tip is avoid full belly before bedtime. Rather than having a large meal close to your bedtime, when you're hungry, opt for a light and healthy snack to curb your hungers without leaving you stuffed. Your full belly can be uncomfortable when you're trying to doze off. You should also avoid drinking alcohol before bed. While it can make you sleepy at first, experts say alcohol could lead to disturbed sleep, which could also make it harder for you to get up when your morning rolls around. Feel motivated, plan your next morning routines. Develop a schedule of what you would like to do. Not only should this encourage you to wake up, but it can also help you to be more efficient and avoid forgetting important tasks. Your morning schedule can be whatever you want to include, such as exercise, showering, paying bills, or making your lunch for work. Don't use electronic devices such as laptops and smartphones 30 minutes before you hit the sack. There are several reasons for this. The first is that these devices emit a blue light rays that hinders melatonin production. As melatonin is a naturally produced hormone that helps faster sleep. At night, production increases to help you feel more sleepy, but this artificial light can impair that process. Secondly, you may encounter some upsetting information when scrolling through your emails or social media that could leave your mind racing when it's time to fall asleep. Avoid keeping cell phone in your bedrooms if you can. However, if your cell phone doubles as your alarm clock and you need it in the bedroom, keep your phone in do not disturb mode. Another trick is leaving the bedroom blinds slightly open so that when it's morning, the daylight can help you feel more energized. If you don't feel comfortable leaving the blinds open, you can also use wake up lights which are designed to mimic natural lights. Always you can practice these tips on your own. Sometimes it helps, but still you feel you can't wake up. Consider discussing this with your doctor. For example, a sleep disorder could prevent you from waking up early because it's keeping you up all hours of the night. In this case, your physician can help finding a proper treatment such as lifestyle changes, therapy, or medication. People who get up early regularly tend to stick to a routine or are being prepared for what comes their way. For example, they are not rushing to get somewhere allowing them to mentally focus on their day ahead and not feel overwhelmed about being late. Some experts do argue that human tends to be more productive in the wee early hours of the morning, simply because there are few distractions at those times. That's the sentiment Tim Cook has shared in the past to explain his own early rising habit. In a nutshell, if you get up early, you will have more time to get things done and also a quiet period before anyone else rises, which will help you focus on getting things done so you don't end up working or many things at the same time. Find your best ideas and you can build a great routine from this and obtain all the success you wish to have. Let me know what time you guys rise up and retire at time. Comment your response in comment section. See you in next video. Hakuna Matata. Stay calm, stay healthy and happy.